two things that you might be doing that you don't even know that could be hurting your transmission. First thing is when you're reversing, let's say you're backing out of a parking lot or a parking space, you're still moving and then you slam it on drive right away. So what you want to do is reverse, okay, then come to a complete stop, then shift it to drive, because you don't want to just slam the gear when you're still reversing. That could be damaging your transmission. Second thing is you park on a slope. Let's say you're on drive, you're moving, you park on a slope, you just put it on park and you feel the car rock back and forth like that. You don't want to do that. That could be putting a lot of load in your transmission. What you want to do is, let's say you're about to park on a steep hill or a slope, what you want to do is step on your brake pedal. Before you put it on park, pull the e-brake first, the parking brake. Or if you have one of those step pedal right here, the parking brake, step on that first, or pull the e-brake first, the parking brake. Then you want to put it on drive. That way your car won't rock back and forth, putting a lot of load in your transmission. And when you're about to drive, put it on drive and then release the parking brake. That way you're not putting a lot of load in the transmission. If you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button. And again guys, thank you for watching.